Now you're sorry free tariffs and some Nyanko, a very sensitive matter. I'll try as much as I can to be measured with a year. Sad topic we was a very sensitive. Deck. What's Bawku Tokwana? When my dear buy. When him not baby chance free. What you say, Kura? Obi, my young country should be a said. Mokai Rwandan Tokwana. Rwandan genocide no. Bawku Tokwana in the channel. Obi, Meno Kasei. Bawku Kwani the only place in Ghana. Or money I think Alabanyon in Kunya. Obi. And for the past 25 years, Yamu Modana Jubia from 6 to 6. Ya passing Mako executive instrument Mako 200 on Bawku fight. Obi? And the best idea. Yaka baby, free baby. Idea Kranen Tokwano. Kusasi for ho, Mampusi for ho, and then Tokwano Krano, a Yakusasi Mampusi for Bawku Kwaneko. Ana Atera, a Koyanu Mosi for so. Atera, and Tokwano Krano, a bit more free baby or Mumu Ramwana. Mampurugu for a Wabakina, a DNSC, or Mobekandi, a politicians, a dear role no mu play. These are relevant questions we will ask. A dear Antiquan Yentimin Sobe, the Yabra Jomama Kansimbi, was in Bokono, MPP, Eba Bemwa, Naya hey, NDC Ba Bemwa, Naya hey, Yaberenina. We will ask the questions. A yet then NDC Wa Bemwa, and ye hey, now we'll cry NDC Waba, and I say ye hey, it's some pass I hey, dear. We will look at the history. And political influence. One will never finance a woman. A dear, a true useful. Very scary. And to Kwana Tera Bedru said, Kovi, yet me and your Akukudro, a shooting IGP car. And IGP is begging. So, morning, a Yanti said, IGP, Christian Tete Yohonu. Wakoboko, Wakoboko no, and was say, Boko for Marantia, and for Motumu, no power macho, 10 years. IGP said, Hanu, or power macho say, or Mumfa Trunimuho. Na, say do police recruitment, or be prioritize woman. So prioritizing them means that, or be more first a year right of a year entry. As opposed to it's Mampusi Kusasi form to war. Metron, I'm sorry, and you're correct. Na yenti, na ya setting yenti.
To you to lay down your arms, have confidence in us, so that together we'll work and then we'll bring peace to this area. We assure you that when it comes to recruitment, we'll give the people of Bawku clarity. And so we are appealing to you to lay down your arms, have confidence in us, so that together we'll work and then we'll bring peace to this area. We assure you that when it comes to recruitment, we'll give the people of Bawku clarity.
Okay, Govi, I was all of a sudden IGP aba. Also one cancer. Video no also one cancer. And I was like, IGP, Christian Yohonu. Wait, okay, Yentino.
To receive the drug test. So the assurance we gave to them is that put down your weapons, and when it comes to recruitment, we'll give you the advantage to participate. Go through the normal process. I didn't say anything wider to maybe to show the requirement, but it looks as if the media is publishing something quite different. They will go through the normal process.
Okay, so Mr. IGP, let's be very honest with you.
Cool.
I know said there are talks, say na me support a year a dampare, and I find you could see him the Diaba Twabano a day before. There was a warning from one of your guys. Say me oba be IGP. Me I don't care those things. I'm not afraid. But IGP, and then you know you were very emphatic. Say lay down your arms, and when it comes to recruitment, we will give you priority. Brofo na wanti asia. Because so the mekaya no, ebi anya sana na mimini. Now, the ripple effect of our seminar, what can I say? Yet we are not already. And yes, there be economic reasons meeting or moko. And yes, a combi duomo. And yes, we must see a good. They are fighting based on ideology. Now IGP say, Sankrofui, Yamomo Kwai, Yanum Kusasi, Mamprisi for, Yamomo Kwai, Romo Sambra military, Emera police. Now for Monsieur 23 years, I may expect Romo Sanko. When you decode what he said, we will give you priority. At the end of the day, if Kwame Nkrumah pensu, from Kwame Nkrumah pensu. And one must say, Kusasi ni mamprisi for, and Tokwana ya debadia. No, so mamprisi for her, Kusasi for her. Ni anu omoko ye. Abwa ma deba ni wa ya no de. O kan story no a. Ebi so na Kusasi for no ha. Na mamprisi for ba ye. Eba bo omo kontokwa. No we mo ba ye no. Stories na ebebiri. Wo bi aka ne sai. We mo ba ye no. We mo buy no ano mbeboa we mo nanso na kusasefo no any the structure of ahenie no na mamprusifo na what the structure of ahenie na enjoy ana akoye say na afa say na yesi Kwame Nkrumah nso abrofu yi sakobi anyama abrofu yi de be yo wo mo buy na divide the rule wo mo divide kusasi ni mamprusifo mo tie asundwe mo boko anuanom ana mo divide wo mo ana na abrofu ni one part dealie wo mo say oh kusasefo na complain say anya mamprusifo no money abrofo ni dili more and abrofo ni person mo sisinti kusasifo ne doso chairman prisi they are about 60% of the population ama mamprisi for me about 20 to 30%. Et why any ade no ana mo say oh abrofo ni na gya yes effect o mo divide yenuanom kusasi ni mamprisi for Kwame Nkrumah nso baye anu wo yesa na yenuanu mamprusifo no yesa ni adedia ene ma menko hye kusasifo na chi na menya omo nso support ene omo flame ya political tensions obi ya inflame sa political tensions ya besi ne from Kwame Nkrumah penso na kusasi ni mamprusifo nto kwa na wo ho abesi ne ho na asase ne ne dia ho na ebedi hine ho na eboko na aba ho na yesei na say from 1985 besi ne ya pass EA executive instrument more than 200 obi afen to kwayi bejai enyai ani eda so te ho ani ebusa sadai enti to kwa nka won kan anka political aspect come on solve problem de dara e o kuma se come on solve the only reason o mon solve no if it's a political class no benefit from it and then e behwe mama yarga se dai oni ni nua ayi APC yarga Hassan yarga o mo se dai it is believed say omo ye tilted towards NDC omo so ye the majority and it is believed these are political tensions say mamprusifo no ye tilted towards it Dr. Mahama Bawku me so ye mamprusif it wo ye ne ade no omo shade wanya emu if say whenever there is tension there a benefit political class ni bi e ho ye din agobi na a benefit MPP it beka how Yakubu is it how Yakubu that was the first time we winning Bawku seat Emma MPP na yera Jomama ka asem bi yenkɔ ne entie Jomama asem yenkɔ ne entie the Jomama can say me for Bawku or say whenever we are in power NDC is in power there is peace in Bawku whenever NDC is in opposition then there is chaos Kobi me we yankasa to we shouldn't fight on political lines yentie
NDC is in government Bawku is at peace. Unfortunately, as soon as NDC leaves government, the Bawku crisis flares up again. Anytime NDC is in government, Bawku is at peace. Unfortunately, as soon as NDC leaves government, the Bawku crisis flares up.
Okay, so Mr. President, this is a very reckless statement coming from you. A very reckless statement coming from a statesman. Whenever NDC is in government, and the one na domain market for man kase kusasi for ne doors chairman police for, which is a fact. Na se kusasi for ne doors on dia, and the more inciting to kwanwa, and I'm say MPP wa ben wuntino kusasi for ne gbe se momo ba, and I'm betting ya bo momo kom to kwa. It won koto aba momo, and the kusasi for all over the country. It is a what's more opposition. And Antokwa Badia. And the one in Nunu Tokwanim. If some people near this one and Tokwana benefit. So Kusasi Foni and Tilto to West and this year. And the Antokwasi wa na some people were bemwa. Ombako to bet MPP. And yes, sir. It's Mr. President say whenever NDC is in opposition, then Antokwasi a year. One name flaming, one name a century. You better ask questions. Obi, and the America say a movie away from a year communal fight. The thing keeps on extending. Now it is becoming a full-blown war zone. And the America say Mama Yariga fee. Omudi Jatum. MP, Obi. It tells you how baby you do know. The people do not even fear a state authority anymore. Obi, ya bedroom pempensobia, and every day they are killing themselves. And political class, they are behind it. You busa Mama Yarga. Ugo busa Mama Yarga say so. Me mama imam prisini. Mbapa kusasi. So I'm a son of the soil. Meanwhile, when Timin Kasame support kusasi men support imam prisini. Mama Yarga is not able to say that. Kobi, and woman no fight anymore. And no more. And the Menoka say every day they are attacking people, killing people, and the sophisticated weapons of Muyusunya grow, attacking people. And the Menoka say, yeah, intel war grounds. Ephraim was secretary, say a no free a year Bawku. So Okwa the Bawku is in such a way that the middle of Bawku are predominantly a year a Mampusi. And the extra Mampusi for no washia, a predominantly Kusasi. So before so bet me a free baby, I'll be rap Bawku main town. You must go through the Kusasis, and it is presumed. So Bas Bia Eba. Euramu to the main town. It is presumed that a Mampusi for, so they attack those buses. And no free Mampusi, a main Bokono so Euram no. It is presumed that Omo Mampusi for no Kusasi for attack you. So when it is coming to also the vice versa, Gobi, and the Meroka say every day they are killing themselves. The last time I'm reporting, I'm seeing the part 300. Only me because of psychological warfare. It is more than 300, and the security agencies know. They've picked the intel on it. But they don't want to say so. You come more Mampusis than Kusasis. I don't want to say you come more Kusasis than Mampusis. It's no more common no more. But question you busane say, a trono mu use no. Why in a tomao? And then it's gotten to a point say, say even the #1 chief enforcement agent in this country, a whole IGP, for IGP car no ya 22. The whole IGP of the Republic, the #1 chief enforcement agent of the Republic, and they are trying to catch you. I'm saying security agencies, Japa, the failure of the state agencies, national security, Japatia, and the Yabutunti, and the IGP cow, and yet me and Yakudu. Now, so mobile IGP cow, and your commander in chief for the next one will be John Mahama. What I say? Kovi, yet me to IGP Katu. Kovi, who could do terrorist war zone, Kurana? There are certain parameters you don't cross. You don't cross them. So even Oko drug cartels him. Now to say yes, will be even police informant. We do not attack him because when you attack him, you have a full-blown the whole security force coming after you and you can't survive it. It's to the extent see it me attacking IGP. And this is the failure of the state. It's a Bokono. Imagine yourself for 25 years and cry ha. Your mama now. Your mama pay and I go from 6 in my come up with them. Now they choose 6 in my pay 25 solid years. And political class in your mind be some best of it because they benefit from it.
More fire.
They benefit from it.
More fire.
The security of our nation. And you have IGP too. By now, you know Kusasi for any a Yaman Pussy for. Even say Omuya at loggerheads or Mokontokwa. Anybody who tries to attack a policeman, Omoankasa, should be able to bring him out. Hey, and the police for when him say you do state here, Osuma police for say omonko eye bokwa, omon beso beko, because they are attacking the police. And you say the intia. No, so MPP was no. The vice versa. Man police for ni nya back in Beni Diaben and fire no more attack. At the end this year bad year, and no more so back here kusasi for the. And some will say I don't know what you go be. And some will say, "Oh, and you didn't know more." Bobby, political class, no. On your margin, and then I bedroom pempens was say, "Who tremble boko? No one any of the party." And yes, a political class in Bisa only Mobia, some Mahama Yarigo, say Hassan Yarigo, oh friend, no, commercializing a year the woo passage, you know. It's in there, Miss Etchen war soon, Bobby, and then to quality me out to the stance, and your Bokon Yaku, or bought your Shaman, or your Kusasini, or Shannon Yanni Mamprusi, you were Shaman, on any coon, or be a Kusasi ni wo northwest wo sheni nua mamprusi nia one ne ko and then secondary school say what sample temu kofi wonim so ma shase for me comes mamprusi for come and it was secondary schools and the national security is there they are not doing anything. It's becoming a full blown war. Every boko so call eye Burkina kofi yani atia ne yese border dem omam to there's no border o edidi wa ha gare wa ha no ada ha we girlfriend here we see Burkina and soon the insurgency as you be so national security jakwa me no tie yakum immigration for yakum police for yakum and for the past 25 years yanti will be a prosecutor for murder yanti will be a prosecutor for murder the political class is embodying them. And then you better to me no say national security for radio and you guys you know say two hour mu use AK-47 M16 AR-15 yande there is no way on benya sikato some more political class in church more fire tell them more fire nyam say meba ho AK-47 ni ogobi meba ho train meba ho. So the political class is benefiting for Bokontokwa. Boni wo mutirim. To mo nyoma dwene so mbeso. Aka me hu yi. Se ho ekode din a. We don't as part of mediation, conflict resolution. You don't only go there and throw lights there when there is war. You go there even when there is peace because there should be a systematic continuation of the peace agreement. Say then kam kusasi for ne man prisi for bobo ni amana ya national attention nanka munua no kusasi for man prisi for mo ma be ye wo political class ni nanka mo hia mo twa picture fefefe nanka ati abeto omo mpere sa because it benefit them politically. It benefit them. It benefit them. And then I say, Mamprosi Fono, although we are a smaller group in Ghana, but we be Burkina, our Mamprugu a kingdom, a very large kingdom in Burkina. And now we are Mamprugu a kingdom, no Burkina, Wamoke Noaba a year, Nalerugu, and the Boku a Mamprosi for Penny Fona Bishia. I catch and say, so Pemema, or better any member free Burkina Faso. And not Breomo. And this is not concern to Japa. This is not concern to national security. More normal. Jomama memu when they to Japa. Mr. Burkina a Mampurugu kingdom in Burkina. Omaba. Almost said Mampurusi for our hand super baby train your mena. Omo form a Burkina. And we sit down and this is a joke. Is this a joke? Is this a joke? It's a joke. I didn't say Boko Haram start you, not East Nigeria. My degree was say I almost started. After do baby was a no-go zone. More fire. And maybe I don't know. So much me and Kukuto act to IGP tour. What will be the next step? Tomama no Ubuntu. What will be the next step? The only danger in it is that a bedu baby kurano and young to because they want attention, they will move down south and be blasted nyoma just to get the attention of the authorities. And national security and the intelligence and mapeke. Jakwa di oni mani se muhuru ne etu ahye ne ha jakwa ntimi nsi fom si ya to national ya to police too by now ya to police too a kokomba ayi na number kokomba war JJ Rollins was suma boys do within 2 seconds all the men the able men they run away So the political class is not ready to solve the problem. Obi, they are not ready. Cause a benefit of Mumusa Hassan Yaraga, Mumusa Mahama Yaraga, Omu Yenuanum, and the entry of Mudisako and praying for a Kusasi for him, and the man police for him. No one to call it for peace. If it's a benefitable, a dinner when you're free. Kovi, a dinner when you're free more. Ask them. Eti political class no, and then Makwama peace in Ma. Kovi. Omoma peace so mada the yenuanom so amia omania ombekọ so akọ omo say ya if say we se me na asase ne media we se me na me hene we se me na mdi hene we se we dia na we yaba and no want to kwa no moko ideological battle. And it's so dangerous that if we don't take steps, and they are menoka say AK-47, Danny, for AK-47, AK-47 new, Kofi a sophisticated weapon, a weapon I wouldn't any gas on top. Some me pursue and I pump action. Where you Tony gas it's one at Tomamo. I want AK-47, and I quite the Oma and say AK-47 or Moya, near CSA, Chanono, Jerry Boa.
Why you do? More fire.
Why not AK-47 mom? For AK-47 aboba echere omuni enhwade. And AK-47 aboba ngovi sa aboba we see some nipa 10 line. At close range, but me a bomb me nipa 10 nyina at one close range. One at two mom. AK-47 for AR-15 fachiro and M16 fachiro. Yeah, nipa bone for political class ni nipa bone for way AR-15 and away M16 govi so wobenya bia to $3,000 even the bullet about $600. That is about 10,000 Ghana cedi. Now you busa question. The oton kuto, the odia mo eboboke no. O sika ereto sa tui. With political class, AR-15, M16 na mode mo no. Why the triaka? We the popone for.
Fire them.
No.
Fire them.
Why the triaka AR-15 Kovi sophisticated weapons and ye use woboko
Fire.
Na ye no kwa yasa de ama wawie no esa akira oto esa akira oto ye busa political class no why the training woman na why the train for the cost of the training precisely she trouble boy obi when ye use woboko ni yeso kwa omu sili mu ne adi hey na jakwate ha esemhunu onya nkrofo fie ko semfunu na obi bebusa Mahama se edi enti ne yebeto aba obeka ya yewra Mahama ko promise kusasifo se oba obe create region fofo and ani wo say video no ayemo and you see Mahama is not being honest with the fight okwa I will create a new region I say mo MP okay yenti Mahama yenti
the Upper East region to cover the 6 constituencies in the Bawku area. Bawku Naba raised it with me, and I told him, in principle, I think it's a good idea for 2 reasons. One, for reason of bringing government closer to the people. That's the principal reason for which we create new regions and new districts. And then the second reason is for security. Bawku is a special security zone. That region.
Obi, Mahama free so. Obi, Obwa. When you Mahama here, also be free region Daily Graphic omo report no. Fatu senior read mo. For Daily Graphic report by. Also be free Kusuwago says Kusuwago region. Okay? So it is possible to create a new region in Bawku. Mahama assures on first day of campaign tour of upper east. Now them do your friend be a dog whistle comment in political circles. Dog whistle comment is using a certain code language to be able to lure a certain group of people to vote for you without offending the other. So this was a dog whistle comment that Mahama made that it is likely. So the intent who could create a region was already story no or say the region will be called what Kusauk region. So Kusau region means we are going to create a region for the Kusasi people.
More fire. More fire.
We will create a region. And your mama is fueling the tension by this. And like I said, it's a dog whistle comment. And dog whistle comment, or Pese Kusasi for the 12 man as opposition against a Yaman Pusifu. And that is what he's doing. So your mama should not pretend. Say one way or the other, or Pese into one ending. Meanwhile, you are one of the people fueling it. Through this comment, maybe make creative region so you are saying we will flash the Mampusi people out. That was a code language to say that we will flash the Mampusi people. Meanwhile, at this point, what we need is not division. We need cohesion.
Exactly. Tell him.
There is hypocrisy.
Precisely.
I will call on Minuanom Ayaman Pusi, Kusasi, and Tokwawe. I will older than Rwanda. And the Rwanda come. I'm a Rwanda ye. Still about Koda Soko. And benefiting Grophobia. National security for and benefiting one. Every week be a Yamuses Kadodo bind the Koboko.
More fire.
Every week.
More fire.
The government spends not several millions of dollars on Boko fight.
Precisely.
More fire.
A ban intelligence gathering, a ban say sobi, and the police they are not even able to go to Boko. And we sit down as a nation, and the failure of the national security. When the Japan Juma, by now Japan Kodro, in the Wula Japanana, Kamuye Kade, or side down no, a gringo, a picture now try. Now Kade gringo picture no draw. Chuck Norris. The only man is Funu, every Rankofo and Kran. Our brand Crofogu, a Yabo Boko, Yoku Union Mukomo, Ebre, a man in Kola Ebre. I'll make appeal to Miniano. Meaning, appeal will mean anything to you. And Fashema. There should be a consensus. And may any fresh and Santa in said to Mra, and make one who mediate. So political class in a full well, because from Menya a year, a vote to every one. She is sick. Women, the Kurana dear, Mumia Nyanka. Mokonto kwana a political class and a church. Gobi, what him said, Namenoka say, so be Trembokwa, so Pencrofo, and Momo Gado car, no Triomoka. So they are commercializing a tagri. And that is how terrorism starts. My degree, say Anna Boko Haram starting. Betu bebe no go area, and the very day that a police member, I know say small police force one kwa, we drew northeast also mo boko, and so no. Yes. Na IGP akwa me shoot no. Na yet me who ye kene. Who shoot the IGP car? Are you serious? The whole police force should have been in Boko.
Precisely.
The whole police force. Now IGP only inspiring. IGP is there begging the people. Who shoot you? We don't do that. The shoot to IGP car. The shoot to IGP car. Now we are police in the bed. And IGP says he is begging.
More fire.
Many are not pussy for. Many are not man pussy for. Share, Gobi. Me bury as I do Makana, and I am so sure Sule is dead. The way Omukunkum Omohono. Other than that, Nipa Amini, my first point of contact, your friend Suli, or Imam Prusini, one a chair me Minimsa Casa Mecania, Chichan Kuruga, Yanko Sensumra, Chanchan Zuana, Kofasa kind of Brian Kofu, Na a Chamana, Kamena, Chama, one a chair Sakaso. Did you go so no? A Yamaya. Political class. But Messeremo. Moses Sante, he never can't Samua. Oh, maybe I'm a Munchana da Pau. Yes, I should have Mungo Fred, a Domacha Norris no. Mumma Domanco. Yes, I'm Mumma Domacha Norris and Co. Where Jahini and a Bilson Chebi. To Momo Nunikai. Yes, and Modi Santini was your son, or ye, Yamia Boa, a ye, a peace bar, a movie was Randy Santinus Wabro. Papa, Gobi, The political class and moment conscience should guide you. Man pusini kusasi for amuha. Monsha see and you picture. Any video, any meetings, and chairman Crawford is a mobile and Wakabo. Munyani pa bonisem, Mama Yariga, Hassan Yariga, any Munian Mamua, Central Quadamon for Sudia. Monsha see and come home. More organize a groma almost.
Meetings.
Conflict resolution processes. Omunye. Omunye. Oui. Omunye. When you ninja, you know kusasi for mudo to the point say even northwest region, northeast, western north, when him say most of the areas of kusasi for doso, MPP lose vote wonyira. It will be a said I could lose Santo Quanim. Kenyam, Tijomama ya aware, sent to Quanocoso a Buendis. So, Onya so yes, and your opposition, there was sorry, there were Ben 1 year.